Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you apartments.com how to apply for apartments. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To apply for an apartment on apartments.com, you will need to follow the steps to find a rental property and submit your application and provide required documents. In order to apply for an apartment on apartments.com, what you need to do first is head over and open up your apartment.com app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once you're logged into your account, you'll be seeing your search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it, and then what you need to do is enter your desired location like city, neighborhood or zip code. Then you can also filter your search by price range, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, pet policy and amenities. Then next is to browse listing. Click on the listing that interests you to view detailed information about the apartment by reviewing photos, floor plans, rent price and etc. Then once you find the property you like, check if the apartment listing has apply now button. This button will take you to the apartment's application page where you can fill out the application. Then all you gotta do is fill out the application form. Then once that's done, submit your application by simply reviewing your application for accuracy. Then once that's done, wait for the after applying, the landlord or property manager will review your application and you may be contacted for a phone interview, in-person interview or a background check. And once you are approved, you'll typically be asked to sign a lease agreement and pay a security deposit. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.